at your ring choke. Welcome to Conscious Reggae, where every rhythm carries hope, every lyric speaks truth, and every heartbeat echoes one love. Take a deep breath, open your heart, quiet your mind, and let the journey begin. Chapter 4, the Voice of Jah. Every sunrise write a song, teaching hearts where we belong. Not by power, not by pride, but by love that lives inside. When the weary lift them eyes, hope still shining in the skies. Jah no leave the weak behind, mercy dwell in heart and mind. River never cease to flow, even when the winds blow. So let kindness be your stream, living out the Father's dream. Listen close when night is still, peace can climb the highest hill. Every breath's a gift of grace, every soul deserve a place. Feed the hungry, lift the poor, open every welcome door. Let forgiveness lead the way, brighter than the break of day. When your journey reach the end, may your life be called a friend, not for riches left behind, but for every heart you shine. Congregation, who still guides the humble heart? Jah, who brings light into the dark? Jah, who teaches love instead of fear? Jah, who walks with I and I? Jah forever. The voice of Jah, still calling every soul. The voice of Jah, making broken spirits whole. Walk in mercy, stand in truth, keep your faith in every youth. The voice of Jah, echo through eternity. One love, one heart, one humanity, forever free. Here I know the voice of Jah cannot be bought, cannot be silenced, cannot be hidden. It speaks through every act of compassion,